Hello, hello everyone. Today I am gonna to show that how can you create passport photos using Adobe Photoshop very easily. You can use any of the versions of Photoshop. Here in this video I am using Photoshop CS6. At first open the program. Yeah, now you can see that it is opening. Yeah, now you can see the interface. Now open open the desired image. At first you have to select your locations by clicking on this arrow. In my case it is located in the downloads. So I click on the download. Now I select my picture. Okay. Now I click on open. Now you can see that it my image has been opened. Now now in Photoshop we will only give a background color, and in Word we will create passport photos, or any Word edit, ed- editors. You can use any of the Word editors like LibreOffice, etc. Now I click on the magic wand tool. Now I click on the background. After clicking on the background, you will see a thin lines appears around the background. Now now you have to select a foreground color. Okay. In my case, I want to give it as green. Okay. Now you have to click on the brush tool. You can you can you can specify the size. Okay. you can s- yeah, you can see that. Here you can also select the mode, such as normal. Yeah, you can see this. Now click on enter. Now click on the magic wand tool again and click on the background. Now you can see that our image is created along with the background. Now we are going to save the image. Okay. You have to, if you want high resolution image, then you have to select maximum quality. Okay. And now click on OK button. Okay, to save it again. Yes, you have to select standard. Okay, otherwise it will create some some problems. Okay. Now click on the file explorer, and then you have to find the location where your file is saved. Okay. Here is my file. Yeah, as you can see. Now you have to go to Word. Okay, where's my Word? That's my Word. Okay. Now you have to insert the image. Okay. Sorry. At first you have to go to the insert tab and click on the pictures option from the illustrations group. Okay, now you have to select the picture. Yeah, you can see the picture here. Now under the size group, you have to select the size. Okay, the size of Indian passport photo is 2 centimeter. Okay, whatever. Wait. Yeah. See, now you can see it is what you have to size. Yeah. Now you can see. Okay. Our Now you can see the passport photo. Now, if you want to create multiple photos, you have to copy this photo. Okay. Now you have to press 2 times, and then paste the pictures. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, after creating all the photos, you have to print it. Yeah, you can see. Okay, thank you.